I didn't know yet until yesterday what the matter was.
Yes, ma'am, I'm going to stop you because this is not something everybody should be hearing. Okay?
Okay.
Court calls the case, People versus Sheriff Sarah McCormick.
Good morning, Your Honor. And you received a PH 7447 on behalf of Defendant Sarah McCormick.
We're trying to understand.
Not yet.
Good morning, Your
there's
Honor.
your-
Sarah McCormick.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
Judge, the prosecutor has offered me a deal to drop this down to a misdemeanor substance use. I have recommended this to my client. I've been trying to get in contact with her, but I've been having a hard time at Huron Valley. I reached out to 3 different people: her sister, her boyfriend, and a friend, to get her the message. I don't know if she's received the message and she's ready to accept the plea here. If you don't mind me asking my client, because we're ready to move forward. Sarah, have you received my messages? I've been trying to contact you.
Communications.
I have. This is completely unorthodox. I just spoke with Mr. I had a 6-hour parole board meeting regarding the suspension of my release pending the outcome of this case. I didn't know yet until yesterday what the matter was.
Ma'am, I'm going to stop you because this is not something everybody should be hearing. Okay. I hear you. I get it.
Sorry.
But no, it's not your fault. Really, it's not yours. Counsel, you're going to need to get in touch with your client, have that private conversation, then make a decision as to what they want to do without everybody else like you're being involved. So
I'm ready to move forward, though.
Pardon?
I'm ready to enter a plea. I'm trying to agree to this.
We're pleading guilty to the amended charge.
I don't have the paperwork.
Okay.
So I can't do anything, or I'm not going to do anything.
Thank you, Judge. I'll have the paperwork complete with the prosecutor. We'll get it over to you, and then we'll move forward to the next hearing.
When's that going to be? I was supposed to leave last week, and my husband's terminally. He's on the kidney registration list.
The defendant started explaining her case out loud before the court was even ready, something that clearly wasn't meant to be said here. The judge cut her off immediately. Why? Her husband is on a kidney transplant list and she's his full-time caretaker.
Like, I'm his caretaker. I was supposed to leave 11 months ago. This is holding me up, the parole board said. PR bond or not. Mr. Sito, I'm completely blown away. Like, I have a right to move forward with this. My civil liberty is being deprived.
Sarah, stop.
Ma'am, the quickest I can get you in, because we have to do a video writ, would be the 16th. I will set it as quick as possible. We'll get it. They'll get the paperwork to me, and I'll be more than happy to take your plea.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. July 16th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now for something completely different, a fencing business owner whose entire backyard is buried in old material and the neighbors have had enough. The judge is about to visit the property himself.
Come on up here, Mr. Hoff. Your name?
Dustin Lane Powell.
You're going to plead guilty to...
Mr. Hull.
Okay, he's going to plead guilty to is charged to this anti-blight violation. It's going to be taken under section 771.1, and he's going to take care of this, right? Mr. Hoff, do you understand what has been said here? If you plead guilty under this ordinance section, possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You just sign, read, and understand the advice of rights.
Yes, sir.
You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Can you call in 249 prosecutor to the charge of violation of the anti-blight ordinance? How do you plead?
Yep.
Are you the owner of the property at 26771 Allen Road in the city of Woodhead?
Yeah.
And on January 6th of 26 and continuing through this day, did you violate the anti-blight ordinance?
Yeah.
In what respects?
I have a fencing business, and the things I tear out from people's yard and end up in my backyard, and I don't have time to get every
Well, you're going to have to.
stuff to the dump, and I haven't been.
What kind of things?
And right now, I have everything on the trailer to haul to.
What kind of things?
Old fencing. It's just old fencing. I have a whole trailer ready to go to the dump.
What side of the road is that on?
The east side,
Okay, so you're on the east side by where?
Freedom.
Okay.
I'm right by.
How close is your closest neighbor?
Nobody behind me.
I didn't ask you that. You got neighbors lining up next to you on the left and right, correct?
Yeah,
How far are they from you?
one neighbor was like 10 feet and then no neighbor on the other side.
Is the house vacant on the other side?
No, it's
Empty lot?
yeah, it's a old property that's in like foreclosure.
Your name?
William York, I may happen to see what is it?
Are you on probation or parole?
Judge, he's on probation, Judge Hassett.
For what? Well, he better get going. You mean he's on probation for Judge Heston? I'm giving him another 771 and he still hasn't cleaned it up? Is that true?
It's
Hey.
for concrete.
Listen, I don't care what it's for. I'm not taking this under section 771.1. If he's got another one going on over there under 771.1 and he hasn't followed her directive,
Judge, it's not a blight issue on the other.
what's it for?
There was, I believe when there was some road work done, they installed a driveway, is that what it had?
Yeah.
And then he's got a gravel driveway, but they want him to go ahead and make a concrete driveway. And then
He's got another blight case going, right?
that's not a blight issue.
Well, wait a minute.
It's a CFO case. CFO.
Okay, same type of thing to me. He's not following building officials' directives. What are you doing, Mr. Hunt? I mean, listen to me. Has anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No,
And he's on probation, you understand? Was he on probation on January 6th of 26?
When did you get your probation?
no, I was not. No, they,
Okay, well then that is not a violation of probation then. I'll accept your plea. I will take this under 771.1, but you and I are going to talk. Let me see the pictures you have there. And you're going to get this done. And if you don't get it done,
yes, sir.
we're going to have a big problem. Now, they issued this citation in January and we're just getting around to May 27th. Jeez.
Judge, there's the debris that's on that trailer, which is what needs to be told off the property.
I'm setting this for sentencing in a month. And I'm coming out and looking. You don't have a problem with me coming onto your property, do you?
No, sir.
You're going to have it done in a month.
Yes, sir.
Find some other place to store your junk. Neighbors don't want to look at this.
When we first got our property's B3 commercial, they said you could put our fencing material behind the garage, which that was our understanding when we moved into the property.
Who's they?
The city.
Who's they from the city?
Building official, I guess,
Do you know who it was?
Taggett, I do believe John Taggett.
Was there a John Tackett in the building department?
I'm not familiar.
How many years ago?
Oh, back in 2020.
I don't remember a John Tackett, but
Judge, I believe the inspector that's here, she did verify that is her boss. I did ask her that question.
where is she?
She's
She's in the jury room.
Get her in here, please. Mr. Opt. I personally, these are not, look.
I can take that trailer to the dump today and move in the car. It's no problem.
What is your name, please?
Laura Jensen?
Was Mr. Tackett your boss?
Yeah.
When was he there?
I do not know.
He's telling me that the building official said he was going to be able to dump old fences back there. Is that not what you told
No,
me?
not double fence. I could keep my fencing material that is like staged for jobs. That's different than, but like, yeah.
Do you have any reason to believe that Mr. Tackett did or didn't say that?
I would have to believe that he did not.
So would I. That's why I called you in.
Thank
Mr. Haupt, do you have this in writing?
No.
I'm giving you a sentence date in a month. I would like us all to meet out there. This is a Wednesday morning, Heather. Let's make sure it's not going to interfere with sobriety court. I guess I could drive over there after sobriety court and I could be there at 8:15. So if we're doing 4 weeks from now, we can all come over there. Any problem with that, Mr. Haupt?
No, sir.
And you guys can take more pictures and monitor the situation, but you're agreeing to clear the property of debris to the satisfaction of the code enforcement officer and acquire a CEO. So why don't we do it out 4 weeks? When is that, Heather?
June 24th.
At 8:15 or at 8:30 will be the sentencing date. Make sure you get that in my book, will you? We're going to meet out there, me, my court officer, the enforcement officer. If you want to come, Mr. Urick, you're free to. If you want to come, Mr. Gates, you're free to. We'll meet there at 8:10. 8:10. Would you make sure you remind me of that? So that's what you're going to do.
Yes, sir.
Has he worked on it at all since this case was pending?
Yes, sir, you did.
To what extent? Give me the percentage of how much he's cleaned up.
I want to say 50%.
Let's get the other 50 done in the next month. Then I can go easy. Then we're all happy, right?
Yes, sir.
Good enough. We'll see you out there on June the 24th at 8:10 in the morning. Have a good day. Down the hall, get your notes. Thank you both. All of you, I should say. Good luck.
50% cleaned up, 50% left to go in a month, or the judge shows up in person to check. If you're enjoying these real courtroom stories, stick around and follow the channel.